I'm Ebi Kondo, curator of Japanese garden of Denver Botanic Gardens. Many people think Japanese gardens are very exotic, and then also there's a symbolism. But symbolism is at least part of Japanese garden philosophy. In that sense, Japanese gardens are very native garden, and then also very regional. In a native habitat, a bamboo grows like a weed. They very rapidly spread by underground rhizome, so it can be very dangerous if you put it in the garden. It's gonna take over. You can harvest it a lot, and you can make basket, and you can make a little fence. Anything like this, people are so decorative and beautiful. People make art object, and you can see this is very ornamental. Naturally, this dark color, perfect for people making beautiful object. Brush pot, that's a very unique shape. Bamboo, usually it doesn't grow that way. That was a very unique something happening in the nature. That's a very strong Japanese aesthetic. Sometimes things are imperfect, and then that's great. It's really hard to just stop before the perfect. So I think there's a room there, which makes things more interesting. So in the garden, instead of we try to make everything looking exactly perfect should be, sometimes we stop just before that. Then it doesn't get corny, and that's very hard. You need discipline. And another thing is, I mentioned irregular shape. I think that's related to modern culture of cute, kawaii culture. If you observe really well, kawaii object, whether Hello Kitty or fashion, it's not mainstream. It's actually look a little bit roundish, little bit stunted, not necessarily like a fashion model. But that's why really appeal to many people. And the kawaii culture really inspires me. This uniqueness, creativity, and meaningful.